Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can reinvest your dividends that you get from your assets. First of all, to see how much dividend you are getting from your asset, you simply need to go into your portfolio option, and after that set this average into the fees option. It is really simple to do so. Simply click on this option, and after that on to the average option, click on it and set it to fees like I already did. After that, you'll be able to see all the dividends that you are getting from the assets that you own. Right now it is 0 in all. But to reinvest all of the dividends that you get, you simply need to withdraw it and again deposit into your account so that you can buy new assets to help you invest more. Now, to get or withdraw your account's fund, you simply need to go on to the option withdraw funds. Click on this option and you can see this option pop up. And if you have any dividends remaining, you can see that it will appear here and available to withdraw. Simply click on got it and you can see that you'll be able to get the dividends back into your own personal account. After that, simply deposit the funds again into your Etoro, and now from that fund simply go on to the discover option to buy more stocks or crypto or even ETFs to help you invest it again and again, and without the need to adding more money, just with the dividends that you get from the assets that you already own. And that is how you can reinvest your dividends on your Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys found our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.